services, I'd like to give you a small token, a small cash, amounting to 2,000 each. Staying and being loyal to OBS services for 1 year, diba? And hopefully, the next year naman, guys, I'd like to, from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to thank you for your service and staying with OBS services. Of the July headdress contest, Education Month. So, we have one doctor, no? They have the same price, right? So, okay, so for the ladies, first is Miss Okra. Very good. It was very difficult to decide as to who would win, but of course, what was the deciding factor was because, of course, she used multiple gulays and gulays. Anyway, congrats, and the other winner for the men's, or the boys, magkalitan, ano? So we have from Team Audit. And of course, once again, kaya nipili mo, nigamit mo sila o kanang real ba ginit? Real fruits and vegetables. Kaso, decided kami nga, di na lang, nalayak naman. Puspaw ng kaming gayo. Anyway, congrats. Now, for the ladies, of course, Team Audit na good. Ang requirement ng kay headdress na, apil mo kitang dress ko rin. Grabe mo kayo, ka-sexy. Anyway, again, deciding factor, of course, complete tapos itong speech na sa to, bro, kumbihan ka, dapat mong glory ako, no? Kaya sa kong last? Bro.
Dili imong height na imo, bro, base there ang relationship.
And now, last but not the least, one other male winner. Ang problema, gusto din mo yung kanang pili, grabe ka, one state ang competition ba? Gusto ko na state sa competition, basta kayo for my state ka. Kung nag-lipo din now, amo ka napilihan kaning ingayong na state thing na hapit. Ang problema, Murag ka nang nagawag lang sa niya sa Uliaga. Sunod si Protos King ang tapos yun. Ang problema, huwag mo si Protos yun. Huwag mo si Jono. Si Juan sa kanta, si Strawberry. Pero, amot asa kayo yung Actually, I understand that they all made an effort. That alone already counts. But of course, we need to select a winner. Nagbaduha po finding Calgero. To be honest, I'm really happy and proud that they've again made an effort out of all. Was it like individually or? Individually. So again, they've all made an effort. That alone counts. But then again, we have to choose a winner. So we'll choose the one and only Joe Marie.
Say thank you to everyone for your cooperation and for participating in this engagement activity. And we are looking forward for more affair events in the future. And I also would like to those who receive recognition. This means a lot to us. And please continue on your dedication and hard working because again, we are all seen here in ODI. So once again, thank you so much and happy Nutrition Month. And before I close this, I want to say, hep hep!